Hi, this is Tom from Meross. A smart switch allows you to control your lights or other appliances from a smartphone or other smart home device. It can be controlled remotely or with voice commands. Hey Siri, turn the lights on. And the best part of an in-wall smart switch is you don't need to change your old switch faceplate. And you don't need to change the style of the interior. I love vintage style. I would never ruin my interior with a wall switch. We are introducing Meross Smart Wi-Fi in-wall switch MSS810. We provide both HomeKit and non-HomeKit versions for this product. You can choose the one you need. Today we are unboxing this product and showing you how to install it. Okay, let's see what we have in the box. Here is our user manual. 3 cables, wire labels, and here it is, the in-wall switch itself. Ta-da! Very small and very delicate. Now let's go to the installation section. If you are not confident about installing the device, it's always best to seek help from a licensed electrician. And if that's not your cup of tea, feel free to skip this step. Just remember to keep your user manual handy as you need the HomeKit code later if you are using a HomeKit version. Safety is key, so before you start, make sure to turn off the power at your circuit breaker. Double check by flipping your light switches on and off a few times. If the lights turn on, hold off until you are ready. Next, we will need to remove the faceplate of your old switch. If the device doesn't fit in the electrical box, don't worry, just rearrange the wires a bit. Then, find the correct wires and label them. The live wire is usually brown or red. The load 1 wire is blue or black, and the neutral wire is often blue. Our wire colors follow the IEC codes. Your house may use different wire codes, but the functions will still be the same. Finally, disconnect the wires from your old switch and connect them to the corresponding wires on the device, which is live wire to COM slot on the old switch. Use the separate cables provided in the package to bridge 2 things: the COM on the old switch to the L slot on the MSS810. The L1 on the old switch with the S1 slot on the MSS810. Load wire to L1 on the MSS810. Neutral to N. Carefully push the wires and the switch into the electrical box. Screw the switch to the box and attach the faceplate on. Turn the circuit breaker back on to restore power, connect to Wi-Fi, and you will hear the device beep 10 times slowly, which indicates the switch is ready for setup. You can try to turn the switch on and off to check whether the light responds accordingly. Alright, we have successfully installed it. Next, let's go to app setup. For the HomeKit version, we suggest to use the Meross app to pair the device, so that the device could be added to Meross and Home app at the same time. Of course, you can use Home app directly if you don't want to. Click plus, choose MSS810, HomeKit version, scan the code, pair. If you are using the non-HomeKit version, you need to use Meross app. Use Wi-Fi to connect with the product. Name it. Connect to your Wi-Fi. All done. Now your old switch is turned into a smart switch. Now you can use it to control your light. Oh, there is one more note. This product has a wide range of applications and can be used for light switches, fan switches, and other appliances controlled by switches. It can control multiple lights as long as the total power is lower than the output. For incandescent, it needs to be lower than 400 watts. For compact, fluorescent lamps and LED lamps, it needs to be lower than 150 watts. And you might need to know before purchase. This device can only work with 1-gang single-pole switch. That's all for today's video. We will see you next time.